are single mode, like the Kids 300 model, Jesus model, Jesus Plus model. Those small size one, they are single mode. Okay, the big size one, the dual band or 3 standby. Yeah. So friend, if you were using it in the city or you were using it in somewhere, there's a 4G coverage to use, choose the small size one. It's much cheaper and it's good stable 4G signal. If you will choose the big size one, it works both under the 4G or okay, if with 4G signal, you can achieve the international call with it between you and the team members. If you have 4G signal, if you don't have 4G signal, you can use UHF analog. Now this one now I'm showing you the Jesus model. It is 4G working mode only. There is no 5G, no 6G, no simulation working mode. Push to talk over the cellular network, and it has only one antenna. The antenna is a removable one, 4G antenna. When I fix it, it can pick up the 4G signal. Push to talk over the cellular, and here's the Type-C USB, and here's the SIM card. In there, the SIM card, you can use this walkie-talkie to talk. It's very simple, actually. Um, Actually, there are many clients said how to program it. Actually, for Global-ptt radio, our selling point is you don't need to program it. Because for this radio, we will register it, we will program it, and we close the system, so you can't add a radio by yourself. We will be the one help you to program this walkie-talkie. We will be the one register this radio in our system, and for you, you just turn the radio on. Open the package box, turn the radio on, it will connect automatically. Especially if you're a business owner, we can help you to save a lot of money and also a lot of time because we don't charge the monthly payment, we don't charge the platform fee. And here is the Global-ptt Severe. There's a Severe Center in the United States of America. Severe Center in the United States of America, so you can achieve the call, okay, from American to the other country. There's also a Severe Center in Europe. There's a Severe Center in Africa, worldwide, okay, worldwide range. It works like a mobile phone, but it's much professional and much stable than a mobile phone because mobile phone they are public connection, but those radio or our radio from Global-ptt is a private connection. Only from one Global-ptt radio to another Global-ptt radio, there is no third party. And this small size one is a cheap one. It's only $256 per pair with yearly SIM card. If you like, you can check the information, check the shop, or go to our official shop to order it. Just check the shopping basket below. Okay, and next one, friend, I will just show you another. There's another different designs. This one, 5288 model. There are two different colors for the 5288 model. This is the black color. This is the green color. Two different colors for you to choose. And this is a dual band one. It works under the 4G working mode. It also works under the UHF analog working mode. If you have a 4G signal, you can use it to talk from one country to another. If you lost a 4G signal, it will be like a traditional radio, which use RF signals to transmit. Let me show you a kitty board. You can see here front. This is our new technology. We call it the 4G technology, POC technology, which means push to talk over the cellular network. You need a SIM card, insert the SIM card to talk. Okay, and then another technology is UHF analog technology, the traditional radios, the UHF analog simulation technology combined in one radio. 4G and UHF analog. So if you can pick up the 4G, you have the 4G coverage, you can use it under the 4G. If you don't have the 4G coverage, you can use it under the UHF analog. No matter you have a 4G or you don't have a 4G, you use this radio to talk. Okay, let me test the voice. Hello? Hello?
Hello.
This one just lost connection. The other one is still good. 1, 2. Okay. These are global band. So if you are in UK, you can use it. If you are in USA, you can use it. This is the Global-ptt official live. We open the live channel to show our new technology and offer you one more option to buy the high quality 4G radio with comparatively lower price. If you like us, you can tap the upper following button and follow us. Become our follower. If you have any questions, you can ask me here directly. We will do this live. Last 25 minutes, we will finish it. Okay. And after we finish our live, you can still send us message if you need help. We offer one more option for the 4G POC radio, and we offer the business solution for the team communication. If you're a business owner and you're just looking for a reliable brand for your team use, for your team member, you can try Global-ptt. And we're specialized on the 4G radio, no 5G, no 6G, because 5G, 6, 4G are much quite a mature technology than 6G and 5G. But in some less developing countries, there is no 6G or 5G. Okay, and this one I just show here, dial band 1. No matter you have 4G or you lost 4G, both can work. And that's why I will show you another. This one, the G6 Plus metal walkie-talkie, which is made from metal, press and talk over the cellular network. This is the antenna. The antenna is a removable one. Okay, and there's SOS button here. Long press SOS button. The SOS alarm just keep ringing. Press and talk over the cellular network. And here is the here it is the battery. Okay, the battery charger, Type C charger. Yeah, this is the Global-ptt. Jesus, Jesus Plus module, metal, and this one is the first and the only metal radio from Global-ptt with SOS and GPS positioning function. If you like this one, you can check the shop and order it. We have the Tiki shop, or you can check the official web to check about all our products. Okay. And now I can see the price in our England Live, in our England show is 239 pounds for 2 radios with 2 SIM cards. Yeah. This one is push to talk over the cellular network. There's no monthly bills, and we don't charge a platform fee like the real PTT or dollar work. They will charge you a platform fee. They will charge you a service fee. But for us, Global-ptt, there is no platform fee. There's no other payment. And once you got order 8, you just fix the battery, turn the radio on, it can work automatically. Yeah. This is Jesus Plus. Let me pass it and show you another one. Another one I will show a quite a popular one. The 3 standby 4G POC push to talk over the cellular network, POC working mode, UHF analog working mode, and VHF analog working mode. If you have a 4G signal, you can talk under the 4G. If you don't have 4G signal, you can talk under the UHF and VHF analog working mode. And for this radio, there is a frequency scan function. You can scan the frequency of the other models, scan the frequency and scan the tone, copy the frequency and copy the tone, and you can use this walkie-talkie to talk under the UHF and VHF analog working mode. The UHF frequency for this one is 400 MHz to 490 MHz. The VHF frequency is 136 MHz to 174 MHz. This is the frequency range on this walkie-talkie. The 528 Plus, it is compatible to the other brand like Bofon Radio, or in some other country there are ENTL, just some other different brand. Just pay attention on their frequency. And under the 4G working mode, it's not compatible to the other brand, only Global-ptt to Global-ptt, because all those Global-ptt radio, they are registered here in our system, and we're using a closed independent system, not open one, to better protect the privacy of our clients. Here is the green color one. Green color and black color, different color, but the function are the same. The only difference, their color are different. Okay, push to talk over the cellular network. Let me test it. Hello. Hello. 1, 2. 1, 2. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Okay. This is a voice is clear, good voice. You can make a group call just by one press, one click, you can send a message out. And you can also make a single call, group call and single call. Just call your team members, between you and your team members, and there's no third party here. We are specialized on the 4G POC radio, and our selling point here is the first one is we are using a global savior. Where our savior center is in the United States of America, in Africa, in Europe, in UAE. It's like a worldwide range. So as long as you can pick up the 4G, use walkie-talkie to talk, you can achieve the worldwide range call. And it's very stable. Why? Because our connection type is different from the mobile phone. Our connection type here is a private APN, not a public APN. So friends, if you will use this radio to talk, you don't worry about the connection. It's very stable and very fast. Yeah, very stable, fast connection. There's no third party here. There's no data sharing. There's no data leaking. This is Global-ptt. Welcome, new friends. Welcome to our live. If you like us, you can tap the upper following button and follow us. After you follow us, every time when we start the live, I will invite you to come to the live to show our new models and offer the after-sales service for our clients. And if you have questions, I can answer you here directly. And next one, friend, I will show you about this one, the G8 Plus model. The G8 Plus model actually I recommend best from Global-ptt because it's quite a stable and quite a reliable one. Now the G8 Plus model is always the one with SOS and GPS positioning function. If you are just looking for a reliable one, easy to use one, you can choose the G8 Plus model. The frequency for this one is 350 MHz to 520 MHz. 350 to 520. Okay. 350 to 520 MHz. Do you have any questions? Yeah, almost finished our live, just the last 20 minutes. Okay, now let me go on the live to show this one. You can check here. This is the menu. There are 4 working modes: POC working mode, analog working mode, mix mode, and repeater mode. POC working mode, mix mode, analog mode, and repeater mode. So friends, if you are looking for a radio which can talk to a ham radio or GMS radio, you can just choose this one. If you are looking for a radio which can reach 5,000 kilometers range, you can just choose this one. But only between one Global-ptt radio to another Global-ptt radio. Between those radios, they are worldwide range. If you talk to the other brand, it's only good for short distance. And you need to set the frequency on it. The frequency for this walkie-talkie we can set on this one is 350 to 520. Okay, and it's a wider frequency range than the normal radio. The normal radio, their frequency is only 400 to 470 megahertz, 400 megahertz to 470 megahertz. But for this one, it is 350 to 520, very wider frequency range. Okay, and here we added the SOS and GPS positioning function on this walkie-talkie. The orange button here, it is SOS. Long press the SOS function on this walkie-talkie. The SOS alarm, it will keep ringing and also inform some other user, some other member it need help. Let me show you the dispatch system. If you meet accident or you need help, you can see here dispatch system. You can look in the dispatcher and you can see here there is a company, there is a dispatch, there's SOS alarm here. When you long press the SOS button here, you can long press SOS button here. Okay, you long press here, and there's SOS alarm here. This is SOS alarm. Okay, it will show on the dispatch system, the dispatcher. This is a Global-ptt company account for you to use for the team manager to check in the location of the radios, for the team manager to arrange the user for rescue. The SOS and GPS is for rescue. Here is the G8 Plus model, the new versions with SOS and GPS. If you need one, before your choice is only the 528 Plus model, but for now you can use the G8 Plus model. And it's a very stable one, and it's many 5-star review from our clients. Okay, now let me pass it and I will review another one. We almost finished our live, friend. Last 2 minutes. Okay, and this one is another one, the V1 model, the vehicle radio, which is good for the car use. If you work in the bus team, 没有人，不然我们就下掉吧。can I buy? Yeah, ladies, man, you can buy. Or may I know what you're going to use this walkie-talkie for so I can give you my suggestion? And this one, friend, I will show you is the V1 model. Let me get my debit card.